If Leonardo AI is giving you an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to troubleshoot it step by step. This is a simple, practical guide you can follow whether the issue is loading slowly, failing to respond, or not letting you continue with your work. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. First, the smartest thing to do is check the current system status. Go to the official Leonardo status page and look for any active service notices. You can also use a trusted community tracker like the StatusGator Leonardo AI monitor to see whether other users are experiencing the same problem. This is important because sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. It may simply be a temporary service slowdown or a high demand queue. If you do see a slowdown or a service notice, the best move is often to wait a few minutes and try again. During busy periods, requests can take longer than usual, and the system pipeline may just need time to clear. A short pause can often fix the issue without you needing to change anything else. Next, log out of your account completely. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and sign out manually. This can help reset your session and clear out any temporary account connection issues. After that, close the browser tab, reopen the site, and sign back in to see if the error is gone. If the problem still continues, do a hard refresh and clear your browser data. Outdated cache or cookies can sometimes cause the page to load old information instead of the latest version. Open your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies for the site, then reload the page. After that, sign in again and test whether Leonardo AI is responding normally. Another thing to check is your credit balance or token usage. If your daily tokens or paid credits have been fully used up, the system may stop allowing new requests until your balance resets or you add more credits. Open your account or billing section and confirm that you still have available quota. If your balance is empty, that may be the reason the error is appearing. So to quickly recap, if Leonardo AI shows an error, start by checking system status. Then wait if there is a temporary slowdown, log out and back in, clear your cache and cookies, and finally verify your credit balance. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back up and running. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.